the magnet, north and the south. Okay, now let's not look at that part. Right here, let's just say this was an induction coil. Okay, this is the face of it, aligning with the blotch wall, where there's no magnetism in the induction coil right now because it's half north, half south. As it's going away, as rotation's going away, look what happens to north. The north pole starts aligning as it's going away. So neutral, and the north actually grows. It grows a north field on departure. So the north field is growing because it's aligning the pole. Very interesting.